By the way, I'm getting out of this meta contract now. You want to know why?
It just hit.
I have a rule in place.
Oh.
It's falling below VWAP. I don't care if it bounces. I don't need it to. That trade broke even. So while, yes, I could have collected 150 or 120 up here, I don't care. That was a completely free trade. Notice I didn't have hopeism. Oh, it's going to come back. Nope. The trade did exactly what we say we leave. I left. I am done. I made over $2,000 on that trade. That's it. Trade the trades the way you're supposed to trade the trades, not the way you want to. It has nothing to do the way you want that you trade the trades. Oh, but Meta could bounce right here. It's been up all day and it. Nope. Stop. Stop doing that. It's no longer a successfully good-looking trade to me. And I'm on the 2-minute. You see it? I don't like it. I don't care.
Can I ask you an example of when you will get in if you were to do the put side now?
Okay, that's a great question. I would not for a very long time. Do you know why, Eden?
Why is that, Coach?
Because the overall trend is to the upside. So most likely this is more likely to bounce off of VWAP and make a new high than it is to go to the downside. Because if this has been running all day to the upside, there is a very small chance this will break and go down. Very small. This is called going against the grain, my friend. The grain is up. You wanting to buy a put, scratch that right out of your brain. You hear me?
Got it.
Yep.
Now, looking at it, it's bouncing off VWAP.
Yep, that's
Would this be a good time to do a buy entry again?
This is a call option entry for scalpers with a stop just below it. Stop is here. This is the call. Calls on support and puts on resistance every time. Doesn't matter. And then because it's a scalp, you will have a quick stop. You can see right where the candles keep stopping out. Call. Ride it up. And it's a tight stop because it's a scalp. A scalp, tight stop.